All right. This evening we'll actually do an unboxing of the part number 4936053P aFe exhaust for a 2.5 liter RAV4 in this case, 19 to 224. And at the end of the video, I will also share you part numbers of some OEM parts that you may need or recommend that you change. So let me proceed with the box. The box it's big, but it's actually not that heavy, which is a good sign. That means the exhaust it won't be as heavy as the original. So let me see. I already cut the tape around. All right. So plate to the side. So tomorrow, well, sometime this week, I'll do the install, and I'll show once I remove the exhaust from the Toyota RAV4. So the bag with the 3 clamps with the, I guess, warranty stuff. So I'll just set this on the side also. These are the tips. So should have 2 tips, and part number for the tip, it's all these numbers. Takeda exhaust tip, 2.5 inch to a 4 out times 7L. I don't know what the length. So let's just take one here. So I'll show you the tip. There you go. It's nice with this clamp, big clamp. Yeah. So I'll see. I'll install the exhaust. Maybe I won't even put the tip yet, but we'll see. I know I ordered, by the way, the chrome tip. You have the option to have them painted black for a few more dollars. Speaking of dollars, I purchased this on Victoria Day, not because it was Victoria, but because they had the 10% off. And I would say it's about, with tax, deliveries and everything, it was about $1,100 Canadian. So that's the price. So I think, oh no, I'm not missing a tip, but the tip is there. It was outside of this box. So it was packed poorly, I guess. That's the muffler and the piping. Yeah, that's like the picture. Stainless steel. And I will have, yeah, it goes like this. I will have everything laid out on the ground before the installation anyway. So stay tuned for that, and that's the rest. This obviously will come from the front after the could be like this, could be like this, I'm not sure, but we'll see. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the factory parts here that you may require. So basically you have the gasket exhaust pipe, that's the part number. And that's the O-ring itself. And you also have the 2, they look like 14 millimeters bolts. That's from the pipe I just showed you. And hold on, I got the part number here. And the O-ring cost I just show you is $23 Canadian. And the bolts that I just showed you, they're $3.93, so $4 Canadian each. And that's the, hold on, show you the part number. Oh, can we see this? Hold on. You can see the bolts, that's the top one, 90105-A02. 369. And again, it's in French. Sorry about that. And the gasket, it's 1744. Well, you saw it on the plastic. So these are the part numbers that I would strongly recommend get you the O-ring. The bolts, well, it's a 2020 with only 30,000 K, like 20,001 miles on it. So I don't think it's going to be an issue. And they're good quality bolts, that's for sure. So stay tuned for more. I'll show you quickly when I'm going to install it. And obviously the sound, the before and after. Well, before, there's no sound at all. That's the reason I'm changing this exhaust. So on that note, take care. Good evening.